Hey, welcome to Raw Talk. So the owner here wanted me to show you his purple XB Fairmont coupe. I did say purple because on the compliance base, that's what it is. It's come across from South Australia to a dealership in Perth as a project car that they wanted to do. So apparently, from what he was saying, this is one of two that has a centre console. It's got the AM/FM radio up there, aircon controls, interior light. It's probably even got a speaker up there, who knows. Pretty good, something out of Mad Max, I suppose. And even on the dash, check out the GS dash, the volts, oil, fuel, temp, clock it down there on the right, and check out the horn in the steering wheel. So let us know if you've seen any of the other cars from the 70s from Ford with a centre console down the roof. It'd be interesting to see if there's any more out there. He was saying there's only two. He's the only owner of this car. He's quite impressed with it. The only bummer is, it's not a V8. It's a 6-cylinder, can you believe that? I thought they would have dropped the V8 in this little beauty. Hey, thanks for watching Raw Talk. So hit the like button, subscribe as well, follow us along on Facebook even for all updates on what's coming up. And if you haven't already checked it out, see our Hall of Fame, all the good cars there with owners describing what they got. Bloody brilliant.